Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain how do you export a file from Blockbench to Roblox. I have been in a big trouble trying to do that because when I export the file to Roblox from Blockbench, the image was very blurry. But when I rescale up the image, I have another problem. Between the edges in the edges of the model, we have this black tape here. This black edge, it isn't in the original model, right? Because the Roblox trying to interpolate the non-existent pixel with a existing pixel, resulting in that blurry thing. So I made it a program for that problem. The link is in the description to you solve that same problem in your computer. So you have in here the Blockbench file. You can export this Blockbench file to object model. And here we have model. I'm exporting that. So here is the export. Here is the texture, right? So we open the Hayscale Pro. This is my program, link in the description. We open this program. Here we have the scale factor. You put your scale factor. I like 2025 for that process. You can uh, try to a bigger or less number. You select the image. So the image is the texture. You select the texture and select the final texture destin. We'll have it. I will select the texture, the original flat texture to replace it, right? So the process started, success. Okay, you can close the program. So we have now a rescaled model. So if you trying to import that new rescaled model, you have that. So here in the desktop model, the new rescaled model will be here. The program file is in the description. Is a pet Python file, and I turn it into a program. The code for the program is too in the description. If you are in another operator system. So here is the model. You will see the difference. Here, look the difference between a non-rescaled with Rescaler Pro and the model with the Rescaler Pro. It's a big deal for anyone who is trying to do that style of game in your own places, right? So that's the video. I think you like it, and bye bye guys. The link for the program is in the description. Bye bye.